Hi, I'm Jim Fausone with Legal Help for Veterans. I'm one of the attorneys working on VA disability claims here at the firm. This informational video is about a question we get asked a lot, and that is, why didn't you take my claim, or why don't I have a claim? There are three main parts to a VA claim that are required in order for the claim to be granted. First, it has to be a currently diagnosed disability. Not just symptoms, it has to have a diagnosis. Second, there has to be an event in service. And third, a link between those two. Usually this link is established by medical records showing continuity of treatment or medical opinion by a qualified medical professional. Your current disability must be shown to be caused or aggravated by an event that occurred in service. If one of the aforementioned elements is missing, the VA will deny your claim or continue to deny your claim, and those who might be out there to help you, like ourselves, will say we can't go forward because of the missing element. The diagnosis. Many times veterans ask for help without a diagnosis of a disability. For example, you think you have PTSD, but you don't have a doctor's diagnosis and you've never been treated for it. Or your wife tells you you snore a lot and you have sleep apnea, but again, you've never been diagnosed. Second, on that event in service, all too often the veteran has no event in service connected to the disability. So you might have a diagnosis of a knee problem, but you have no reason for why that knee problem is from service. Maybe all you can say is, well, we ran a lot in basic training 20 years ago. VA is never going to really acknowledge that unless there was an event in service. There has to be a connection. And it's really, that gets us to, why did Legal Help for Veterans say I can't take your claim? It's based on the facts or the lack of facts you give us. For example, we recently had a vet who claimed his mental illness, which he referred to as a neuropsychiatric disability, and which he did not have a diagnosis, was due to exposure to chemicals in the water at Camp Lejeune. But if you look at a list of the potential diseases associated with exposure to that contaminated water, a psychiatric problem, there are no psychiatric problems listed on that presumptive list. So based on the facts you give us, that it was the water that caused this, no medical nexus can be shown. So we really want you to think before you take a position about, in your claim, about how the diagnosis or how the disability occurred. What you say and the facts that you fill out on the forms can either help you or they can hurt you in VA's determination. At Legal Help for Veterans, we can help you with starting new claims, appealing claims, or starting claims for increased ratings. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to contact us at legalhelpforveterans.com with any questions. You'll find some helpful ebooks there. You can call us at 800-693-4800, or you can fill out a Contact Us form and send it to us at that website. Finally, as a veteran, I want to thank you for your service to our great country. Have a good day.